Background of anti-aging skincare. As we age, our skin begins to lose its elasticity, and we start seeing signs of aging like fine lines and sagging. To combat these changes, more people are turning to anti-aging skincare solutions, with peptides becoming the new trend in the skincare industry. What are peptides? Peptides are small molecules made up of amino acids. They can penetrate deep into the skin cells, stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, helping to repair damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Peptides in anti-aging skincare applications. By regularly using skincare products containing peptides, the skin receives deep nourishment and repair, reducing wrinkles, brightening complexion, and restoring firmness. Peptides help slow down the signs of aging by enhancing the skin's repairability, leaving it smoother and firmer. Different types of peptides and their benefits in anti-aging skincare. Peptides are widely used in skincare due to their diverse functions. Depending on their structure and function, peptides can be classified into several categories. Signaling peptides. These peptides activate skin cells, stimulating the production of key proteins like collagen and elastin, improving skin elasticity and firmness. Transport peptides. These peptides deliver active ingredients, such as copper ions and other minerals, to the deeper layers of the skin, enhancing repair and antioxidant effects. Enzyme-inhibiting peptides. These peptides inhibit the activity of enzymes that break down collagen, protecting the skin barrier and slowing down wrinkle formation. Neuropeptides, known for their micro-Botox effect, these peptides relax facial muscles, reducing dynamic wrinkles for smoother skin. Each type of peptide plays a unique and important role in anti-aging skincare, providing comprehensive protection and repair for the skin. BOC Sciences amino acids for peptide in anti-aging skincare applications. BOC Sciences offers a range of high-quality amino acids and branched-chain amino acids which are essential raw materials for peptide synthesis. Our products not only meet high-quality standards but also play a crucial role in various skincare formulations, supporting the development of precise anti-aging formulas. In addition, BOC Sciences provides a range of aesthetic medicine ingredients, supporting more advanced skincare needs and driving innovation in the fields of anti-aging and skin repair. We offer comprehensive technical support and customized services to ensure that your products are not only highly effective, but also meet market demands. Welcome to BOC Sciences, where we will support you in your research and product development. Contact us to find out more and start your journey.